Look at number 46. Keyword here is they want us to find the inverse of this given equation. So I went ahead and I pre-wrote the steps for you. These are the steps that you guys need to follow to be able to solve for the inverse. So I'm going to go ahead and do step number 1 to replace f of x with a y. So instead of having f of x right here, I'm going to go ahead and use y because f of x and y are the exact same thing. After I replace f of x with y, I'm going to switch my x and my y values. When I do this, guys, you are only switching the letters, the numbers, the signs, the equal sign, all of that stays the same. The only thing that you are switching or replacing are going to be the x and the y values. And that is exactly what I did. Notice the power of 2 minus 8 still stays the same. After that, we can go ahead and solve for y using SADMEP. So if I use SADMEP, it says that I'm going to focus on subtraction first. So I see the minus 8. I am going to add it to the other side of the equal sign. This now cancels out. You have x plus 8 equals to y squared. After that, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of the exponent by doing the opposite of a power of 2, and that is a square root. You have to square root the whole thing on the left side, leaving you with the inverse equaling to the square root of the whole thing of x plus 8. And this right here would be your answer. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel out a to begin with because I should not have a minus 8. I should also not have a power of 2. I'm going to cancel out b because the square root only goes up to the x when it should actually just go over the plus 8 as well. And then c is definitely not my answer because that's a minus 8 and it should be a plus 8. Therefore, leaving me with the answer D.